Discover excellence in commercial appliance repair with Rox Services, proudly serving Portland, Beaverton, Newberg, Vancouver, Hillsboro, Corvallis, Oregon City, Gresham, Tigard, and Lake Oswego. Whether it's dishwasher repair, oven restoration, or seamless appliance installation, our expert technicians deliver top-notch services every time. Commercial kitchens trust us for walk-in freezer and cooler repair, as well as specialized ice machine and pizza oven installation. From commercial mixers to complete kitchen setups, Rox Services is your go-to partner for all commercial appliance needs. Experience reliability and precision. Call us today for unparalleled service.